Hey Steven, Corey here. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over those 3 free tips on how you can actually draw out a lot more quality traffic to your website and help you close down a lot more quality deals as well. The 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I've been looking at your site. Google loves content and words, really bringing your word count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, adding that much more content, you can actually layer those keywords in. Those keywords are how people are actually finding you and how you're being searched for as well. Even these images right here, this is all content. Google sees this all. You can actually switch that out, but more buyer's intent keywords back there. That's just going to help with your rankings and get you on that first page with Google. If I actually go inside of Google here and type in Park City carpet cleaning, you could actually do any location for this. But this is what you're going to see. You got this little map pack right here. And you got a bunch of businesses trying to get in the very top here. Even some locations you actually have different pages, just kind of showing you the competition. But really, to get in the top in any of these locations here, is you're going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So really, what we'd want to do is come in and go get those same citations that your top competitors have. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way, we're always outranking the competition. So maybe even 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google comes by, does their algorithms and crawls your site, they have no reason to put you in the very top right here. Underneath that map section, we have all that organic traffic. This is going to be dealing with making sure you have all that content being really detailed in who you are and what you do, being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your site that's just really pushing power, and there's a huge trust factor with that being said as well. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. You got 24 referring domains pushing back 95 backlinks. You got a 21 UR and a 4.4 DR. That just kind of tells me that a lot of your backlinks that you're doing, they're not to the highest quality, I should say. Historically, you've had 232 backlinks down to 95. Just kind of shows you that backlinks come and go. You started this back in 2018. And you got 41 keywords you're being found for. The PPC stands for pay per click, so it doesn't look like you're running any ads in Google. But also breaking down the ROI between Groupon and what you're paying here, and what we could do for all the organic traffic, which is kind of cool. But anyway, we can actually come in and see what you're actually ranking for. Here's your keywords that you're being found, but yeah, we need to definitely boost a lot more power and get you in the top pages there. This is really, when you're actually on that first page, is really where you're going to see a lot of that traffic and that busy work come in. So carpet cleaning, Park City, Utah, there's 50 clicks a month. You're 28th position, so you're missing the traffic. Carpet cleaning, Salt Lake City, Utah, another 150 clicks a month, 50th position, so you're missing all the traffic once again. Really, we got to find all these keywords and make sure that we're pumping power to them, and ideally you should be about 15 to 20% on any of these keywords that you're actually focusing on. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is cleancarpets.net, whatever their name is. Park City Carpet Cleaning, there we go. They mainly focus in Park City here. I stuck them inside of Ahrefs. They got 40 referring domains, 495 backlinks, and you can see their UR and DR, how it's about a 10-point off there. 118 keywords they're being found for, and they're getting 92 clicks to their website every month. Coming in and seeing where they're actually ranking. Here's their position for each keyword, the amount of traffic for each keyword, the volume for each keyword as well, and of course the keywords themselves. So like Park City Carpet Cleaning, there's 100 clicks just for that one keyword. They got the first position there. They're getting 38 clicks out of the 100. Pretty decent ROI, 38% right there. Park City, here's another one up in Park City. Carpet cleaning, Park City, Utah, another 50 clicks. Clean carpets of Park City, another 20 clicks. Still have first position on all those, getting a decent ROI. We can even they have a lot of park cities. So really coming in, finding all these keywords, and we can also do Salt Lake City and other surrounding areas, maybe even Tooele, whatever. But really finding all those keywords and having that power to get you on that first page of Google will definitely help you get those phones ringing and get you busy. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, think that I might have a few tricks on my sleeve, feel free to reach back out to me. I love to put a custom game plan together for you. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine. If you want to give me a review, I love reviews. Thanks. Have a good day, Stephen.